It shouldn't exist. A car so rare, so impossibly beautiful, it was almost forgotten, until now. In 1967, Alfa Romeo created what some called the Mona Lisa of motoring, the original 33 Stradale. Just 18 were made, then silence. Decades passed, the name faded, the myth grew, but now it's back. This is the 2026 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale, reincarnation, so jaw-dropping. It makes Ferraris nervous, and even Lamborghinis do a double take. And here's the wild part. It's not just a car. It's a paradox on wheels. Why? Because while most automakers are flooding the market with soulless EVs or hypercars you'll never see in real life, Alfa just dropped the rarest production car of the decade, and you can buy one. But there's a catch, a flaw, a risk, and we'll get to that. So buckle in because we're about to uncover why the 202-633 Stradale might just be the most important and controversial supercar in the world right now. Before we dive deeper, hit that subscribe button, because if you live for cars that break rules, design that stirs emotion, and rare stories, from the edge of automotive insanity, this channel is your new garage. It doesn't just look fast. It looks like it came from a time machine that stopped in 1967 and 2087 at the same time, with butterfly doors, long sculpted nose, and dramatic rear haunches. The 2026 Stradale is Italian art in motion. Those flowing lines, handcrafted aluminum and carbon fiber, the glass canopy, inspired directly from the original 33, giving you fighter jet vibes on the road, and the lighting, full LED with a minimalist signature so sharp you could slice carbon fiber with it. Only 33 units will ever exist. That's not a marketing gimmick, that's a fact. Each one is individually tailored, meaning no two are the same. Slide inside. You're not in a car, you're in a cockpit. Alfa didn't bother with gimmicks. No 18 screens, no fake sounds. Just craftsmanship and control. The seats. Bespoke. Leather or Alcantara, stitched by hand in Milan. The dash. Minimalist, analog-inspired. With real aluminum toggle switches, ambient lighting is subtle, designed to accent curves, not distract from them. And the tech suite. It's present, but hidden. Digital gauges, a clean infotainment screen, seamless smartphone connectivity, and a sound system tuned for clarity at 180 miles per hour. Because let's be honest, the real music comes from the engine behind your head. Now let's talk numbers, because this beauty doesn't just stand still. Under the rear glass sits either a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6, derived from the Maserati MC20, is pushing 620 horsepower to the rear wheels, or a fully electric drivetrain with 750 horsepower hitting 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Your choice? The gas version? Raw, loud, analog, the EV. Instant torque, no gears. Silence with violence. Chassis tuning is track obsessed. Double wishbone suspension, carbon ceramic brakes. Ultra lightweight, moking. And with a curb weight under 3,300 pounds, it dances more than it drives. The EV gives you around 280 miles of range. Fast charging that takes it from 20 to 80% in just under 25 minutes. The V6. Expect 22 mpg combined, but let's be real, you're not buying this car to save fuel. Cargo space? Barely any. This isn't a daily. This is a weekend weapon. Safety tech is subtle, but smart lane assist, adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, and full collision avoidance. Alfa includes a 4-year comprehensive warranty, with dedicated VIP service for all 33 owners. You're not just buying a car, you're joining a secret club. But here's the problem. You probably can't get one. Why? Because every single one is already spoken for. Hand-selected buyers. Direct Alfa Romeo invites. This wasn't launched. It was whispered into existence. Which means the car that could have redefined Alfa's future might be invisible to most fans. And that's the heartbreak. Its closest rival, the Ferrari 296 GTB. Similar performance. Hybrid punch, track-tuned, but mass-produced in comparison, the Maserati. MC20 shares DNA with the gas-powered 33 Stradale, but lacks the coach-built magic and exclusivity. On specs alone, Ferrari wins. On emotion, Alfa takes the crown. The 33 Stradale isn't just a halo car. It's a signal Alfa Romeo is going electric by 2027. All models will be EVs. This car bridges past and future, old soul, new heartbeat, and the fact they built both a V6 and an EV version, that's not confusion. It's a choice. It's Alfa saying, we're not done making you feel something. So, is the 2026 33 Stradale the best car in the world? Maybe not. But is it the most meaningful? The most emotional? The most Alfa? Without a doubt, it's art on wheels. A resurrection. A collector's dream. Just not for everyone. Drop a comment. Would you take the V6 or the EV? And if you could design your own 33 Stradale, what color would it be? Like this video. If you believe cars should stir the soul, not just the stopwatch, and don't forget to subscribe next week. We're diving into the Lancia comeback and why it might be the next great Italian underdog. Till then, drive something that makes your heart race.